My name is Jennifer Downey, and I'm an instructor in the herbal program here at Academy for 5-Element Acupuncture. And I'm here today to talk with you a little bit about Chinese herbal medicine and about our herbal studies program. So as you may already know, Chinese herbal studies is a 5,000-year tradition of medicine with a 3,000-year written history. And so this system of medicine incorporates the use of whole plants, plant parts, animal substances, mineral substances, even substances from the fungus kingdom to help effect healing in the body, mind, and spirit of human beings. And it's a very safe and effective medicine as well. So the Chinese Herbal Studies program is a separate program from our Masters in Acupuncture program, but it does run concurrently with it. The completion of the didactic and clinical training that we offer is, first of all, required for licensure in the state of Florida as well as in many other states. Also, completing our training will qualify you to sit for the board exams offered by the National Certification Commission for Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine. The students here at the Academy do generally opt for enrolling in the Herbal Studies program for a well-rounded education in Chinese medicine. Now, in our program, we base the training in a firm foundation in the 8 principles of Chinese medicine. We also offer a 5-element lens through which to look at the herbs and substances, through which to look at the formulas, and most especially through which to look at our patients to help develop a holistic view, a whole picture of their health and their well-being and how we can support that with herbal medicine. And as a matter of fact, that's one of our educational objectives in the program. We also teach you preparation methods of herbs and the various forms of herbs. We teach you the whole process of doing an intake with a patient to develop a diagnosis, the appropriate treatment principles, and then how to really fine-tune your formula selection and formula modification to treat each specific person with a very dialed-in formula for them. We teach practice management skills, patient management skills, and we also give you a way of looking at Western diagnoses through a Chinese medicine lens so that you can understand how to properly treat them with herbal medicine in the Chinese system. We also teach you dispensary skills, so you'll get a chance to work in our dispensaries, preparing formulas that go right into the hands of patients. We have a botany course that is a co-requisite requirement for our program, and the botany course that we offer I think is very special because it's taught by herbalists. So you're given the knowledge that you need of botany and plant studies through the lens of herbalism, so that it's very pertinent to what you would need to use it for. And finally, we also incorporate the business of herbs, including ethical sourcing of herbs for the formulas that we dispense to patients. Now, the program structure, just like the Masters of Acupuncture program, is in an intensive format. The herb sessions are appended to your acupuncture sessions, and then when you enter your clinical residency year, your Chinese Herbal Studies clinical residency would happen at the same time. So the primary textbooks that we use in our program are the Bensky and Barrelet Materia Medica and Formulas and Strategies books. I should hold them up a little higher. So these are the primary textbooks that we use in our program. There's a number of suggested texts as well, but these are the books from which we'll teach you a number of single herbs and a number of formulas that we'll be using as we treat our patients in the clinical year. So we also teach you in your dispensary skills and during your dispensary internship how to construct the bulk herbal formulas. This right here is one of our bulk herbs. It's Chinese rosebud. So as you're working in the formula, in the formulary, it's a working pharmacy. that actually produces formulas for patients. It's also a teaching pharmacy, so you get to have lots of practice and interaction with the herbs, learning how they are categorized, what their actions and indications are, and so forth. So it helps you as a study tool. So that's our bulk dispensary. You can see that I'm standing here in our granular dispensary. These are herbs that have been already decocted and formed into powders, a little bit simpler format for patients to ingest. And then finally, we also have a selection of prepared herbal medicines, patent remedies. These are tablets, herbal formulas made into tablets, and we even have herbal formulas made into tinctures and topical applications for even easier use for the patients. So we teach you about these prepared medicinals as well in the program. So you get lots of hands-on experience with us as well. I want to thank you for your interest in the herbal program at the Academy for 5-Element Acupuncture. Thanks for listening.